What's up guys, Faster back from Tech and Toys and welcome to another new video. So today I'll be sharing with you a tutorial that will help you make your projects, or not actually projects, your Microsoft Word documents or your PowerPoint, anything, make it look more attractive if you're presenting it in front of any person. So I'm going to show you how you can download fonts for free. Now this will make, of course it will, as I said, it will make your projects look more attractive. So without wasting any time, let's get right into this. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to head over to your browser, search on YouTube for Tech and Toys, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified from every single video I upload. Just joking guys. So what you want to do is you want to go and open your browser in which you search whatever you search on. I searched it on Google, you may be searching on Bing or something else. Go there and search for the font. The spelling is D-A-F-O-N-T. I'm sorry, yeah, D-A-F-O-N-T. And when you search for that, the first link what you get, you want to click on that. I'm gonna leave the link of this website in the description below. You can go and check it out from there too. Now when you reach this website, the first impression you get is there are many fonts. Below, you go scroll down, there are many fonts, and there are categories on top, so you can see what category you want to go and select your font in. So first thing what you want to do is you want to go head over and select your category. I've selected cartoon because you know, I want to see, and oh, this jelly crazies is nice. Okay, but I'm gonna go down. Okay, so Flugums, I'm kind of liking it. So you're gonna click on download. Once you click on download, it will download as quick as nothing. So I've just crossed it. Yeah, so click on download. You could see how fast it downloaded on this device. So you have to go take it to the home screen, paste it on your home screen. You can even close the browser. So you want to open this up, and when you do that, your computer will ask you how do you want to open this file. You want to click in File Explorer and done it. So once you do that, it will show you this thing. Open that up, Flugums icon or something, and you can see there are many ways of something. I don't know what are these, but you want to click on install. Once you've done that, your font will install on your device. And for this to work, of course this is installed on your device, but for this to work you will have to restart your computer, otherwise your Microsoft won't show that it's installed. So I'm just gonna restart this device. So once you've restarted your device, you can create a Word document. Oh my gosh, notifications are gonna come, notification tag. So leave that aside if many notifications come. I'm sorry for that, but okay. So once you've done that, you can see Flugums. Wow, there's up, the font is up there. So you want to select that font, and as you can see, you will be able to type everything. I don't know why my keyboard is not working, but yeah, so I'll just go give it for repairing. But yeah, as you can see, you will be able to type every single thing, and this font is fully working. So if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow me on my Instagram, links in the description below. And until the next video, peace.